Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 401k retirement plans. We'll go over what a 401k is and how it works. What is a 401k? A 401k is a retirement savings plan sponsored by an employer. It allows employees to save for retirement by contributing pre-tax dollars from their paycheck, which can potentially grow tax-free until withdrawal in retirement. How does a 401k work? When you enroll in a 401k plan, you choose a contribution percentage from your paycheck. Some employers also match a portion of your contributions, which is essentially free money to boost your retirement savings. The money you contribute to a 401k plan is invested in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds. You can typically choose from a list of investment options provided by your employer, or you may have the option to manage your own investments. One important feature of a 401k is that your contributions are pre-tax, which means they reduce your taxable income for the year. This can help lower your tax bill and potentially increase your take-home pay. However, you will have to pay taxes on the money you withdraw in retirement. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.